Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be a screen recorder like this one, so once you see it you can simply tap on a toggle. This will then, at least the first time around, require access to the microphone so it can record audio. I'm going to turn off the microphone just because I don't want to hear myself. And anyway, as you see, it then begins recording once you go through all that layout that was visible there. And from here, whatever you open up will be recorded, minus things like the garbage Netflix, which I am going to go out of my way to showcase. So let's quickly get that going. I am going to stop the recording for the moment. Okay, there we go. So let's start the recording once more. As you can see, the second time around it doesn't bring up anything. So let's go back to our Netflix because it's such a wonderful application. Keep in mind, I did not install this application, nor did I sign into it, so I have not agreed to any of this. And even furthermore, you know what, I'm going to reject it because whatever it wanted, reject, right? Keep in mind, I am recording my screen. I can see the little dot that follows my finger. So once you see it on the recording that I'm swiping up, you can see there is a content right there. Let's try that again. For some reason it closed. So I'm gonna, no, reject. So I'm gonna be swiping down and clearly can see there's stuff on here, right? So now let's stop the screen recorder. And we can now view our screen recording in our Photos application. And you can see it right here. Now it is going to be categorized as screenshots. So later on, if you want to find it, find like a bunch of screenshots or screen recordings, you can just under the photos look for the tab screenshots. You will have also photos and other tabs right here. So there will be a couple examples visible and then a number next to it. So from there, just tap on the writing itself, and this will take you to the album that contains basically screenshots and screen recordings. So here is the second screen recording I have captured. At least I think this is the second one. And you can see it's already playing. Actually, I think this is the first one. Yep, that was the first one. So let's swipe to the second one. So in a second, what you will see, if the camera doesn't blur out, there we go, is, well, this is Netflix. Stop it, camera. There we go. So you can see my finger swiping across. There was content visible clearly, and that's all you get. Keep in mind, I have not agreed to anything from Netflix. I didn't give it permission to do anything. So basically what you're experiencing right here, which is an, you might not experience this as often as I will kind of point out, but there are applications that can utilize a safety feature of Android that basically allows it application to block any kind of screen pinning application. So screen recording, screenshots are not allowed on this application. So this is done to basically protect the user of the device. So as a hypothetical example, you have a bank application, you have some malware on your device that is just kind of spying on you on the screen, and you just put in your PIN to your bank application, and that info basically gets shown to someone that you actually wouldn't want to see, right? But with this feature, that person will see just a straight up black screen. They have no idea what you're doing there, what you're typing in. So you can see that is protecting your privacy. But where it doesn't matter is with applications like Netflix, where it's just protecting Netflix. And furthermore, I haven't agreed or given any permission to do so. So this application is basically effing around on my device without my explicit permission. I have not logged into it, so I did not agree to terms of use, terms of service, nor did I give it any kind of permission, nor did I install it myself on the device. This application can do whatever the heck it wants, just because go F yourself, I guess. So I am pointing out this dog shit right here just because I find it to be absolutely intrusive in the way it's functioning, and the fact that we as a user don't have any control over this. So if you wanted to record an application that blocks it, you just can't. There is nothing you can do outside of just maybe grabbing a secondary device and just, pointing the camera and then recording it like this. But obviously that's not screen recording. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of point that out, explain this kind of feature, problem. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.